Right, now there are two ways to do this. You can either rationalize each fraction and then deal with it accordingly, or it's a fraction take away another fraction, so you can do butterfly method and then rationalize the denominator later. Okay, I would go for the butterfly method. So multiply the bottom with the bottom, so square root 5 times square root 10, and then multiply the left diagonal, so 2 square root 6 times square root 10, and it's a minus between them, so minus, and then multiply the right diagonal, so square root 5 times square root 3. Okay, so now 2 times square root 6 times square root 10 would be 2 square root 60, and this will be square root 15, and here it will be square root 50. Now let me see if I can break down anything so that I have a square number and multiply with another number. So I know the 60 can be broken down into 4 times 5 times 3, because 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 3 is 60. And then square root 15 can be broken down into 5 times 3. Doesn't really help because neither of them are square numbers, but I'm just doing it so that I have some sort of working. 50 can get broken down into 25, which is a square number, times 2. Okay, so here I have 2 square root 4. Now 5 and 3, like they're not square numbers, so I'm just gonna keep them together. So square root 15 and a minus, again this is square root 15. And here I will have this square root 25 can be broken down to 5 and times square root 2. Okay, now carry this on. So square root 4 is just 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. I have 4 square root 15. Take away square root 15 divided by 5 square root 2. Carry this on. So, 4 square root 15 minus square root 15. So 4 square root 15 minus 1 square root 15 is 3 square root 15. And then I have 5 square root 2 below. Now, we don't like surds at the bottom, right? So rationalize this by multiplying above and below by 5 square root 2, 5 square root 2. Okay, so that would become 15 times 30, and this would become 25 times 2, which is 50. And a 15 and 50 can be simplified, so you should get so 5 goes into this 3 times, 5 goes into this 10 times, so you will have 3 square root 30 over 10. You can't simplify it further because there's no square number that goes into 30.